Do you know that you will spend 76,500 hours or almost 9 years of your life using your mobile device? Well, the number varies from one person to another, but we do spend a lot of time on our smartphones. Just imagine if you can make money at the end of the day just by using your smartphone a bit differently. Well, that's what I will share with you in this video, so stay tuned to learn how much you could make if you decide to start making money from your phone. Without any further ado, let's get into it. But before I go ahead and show you the app, let me first tell you what you can do to get paid in the first place. You can complete surveys, play games, which is exactly what we enjoy doing. And lastly, you can complete online offers. Now, out of all of these, playing and installing games is the most fun task to do in my opinion. This website is called GetPaid2.com. It's a platform where you can earn points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, etc. If you scroll down, you can see how it works. You can execute the tasks, which include fill in surveys, watch videos, play games, and more, and then earn points that you can convert into money. Every 5,000 points is equal to $1. The best thing I like about this platform is the variety of payment methods they are offering. Other than PayPal, you can withdraw your earnings through Skrill, Bitcoin, and even Amazon gift cards. How cool is that? To get started, you just need to hit on Join Free today. You will be taken to this page where you can complete the registration form. You just need to provide some basic personal information, such as your name, date of birth, etc. If you click on country, you will realize that this platform supports all of these different countries. It's safe to say it's nearly available worldwide. Let us know in the comments section where you come from. I'm always curious about it. Anyways, just complete the remaining fields and hit on complete registration and you're all set. Let me know if you have any questions about this platform and how to make money using your smartphone. And this is it for today. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.